The MySky app is the easiest way to get up and running with your Sky Max hub. Your broadband will be switched on by midnight on the day that's on your hub packaging. Find your master phone socket or optical network terminal. It's normally near the front of the house and says BT or OpenReach on it. Unplug everything in it. If you have a socket with only a phone port, plug your microfilter into your master socket. With the broadband cable, plug one end into the purple port on your hub and the other end into the purple port on the microfilter. Plug your phone into the phone port. If you have a phone socket with two ports, with the broadband cable, plug one end into the purple port on the back of your hub and the other end into the master socket. Plug your phone into the master socket. If you have a socket with only a phone port, take the broadband cable with one purple end and one white end. Plug the white end into the master socket. Then plug the purple end into the purple port on your hub. Plug your phone into the port marked Phone UK on the back of your hub. For a socket with a phone and an internet port, take the broadband cable with two purple ends. Plug one end into the master socket and the other end into the purple port on your hub. Plug your phone into the port marked Phone UK on the back of your hub. If you have an optical network terminal, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the yellow Ethernet port marked 4 on the back of your hub. It also says WAN above it. Plug your phone into the port marked Phone UK on the back of your hub. Plug in the power cable and turn it on. After a few minutes, the light on your hub will turn white. You're all set up. Always leave your hub on overnight for it to work best and get updates. Your Wi-Fi name and password are on the bottom of your hub. For more information, go to sky.com/hub setup.